Okay, so obviously now 8 is 2 to the power 3 and 16 2 to the power 4. So we're starting by saying 2 to the power 3 x plus 1 times 2 to the power x plus 2 and then 2 to the power 4. Okay. So you can leave everything else, you can just do that in the first step. Okay, if you want to save time, it's fine if you want to save time. If you do 2 steps in one by saying this becomes 3, 2 to the power 3, and I'm going to multiply the 3 in also. You can do that. If you know, if you can see in your mind, this is going to be 2 to the power 3, so the 3 can be multiplied by both. And 2 to the power 4, the 4 is multiplied by the x, then you can skip that step and go straight to the next step. Okay? If you know, you've got confidence in doing it. So it's 2 to the power 3x then, 2 to the power 3x plus 3 times 2 to the power x plus 2. Okay, so you can just multiply the 3 with both, and then you multiply the 4x in. Multiply the 4 with the x. Okay, and now we can do the next step, maybe to save a bit of time, we can take it up and simplify it. So we're going to say it's the fifth root of 2 to the power 3x plus x is 4x, 3 plus 2 is 5, and then the 4x becomes minus 4x. And you take it up. So you end up with the fifth root of 2 to the power 5, because the 4x minus 4x is 0, and then you get 2. Okay.
This is easy.